Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove border from third page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document and we can see here some page with page border. Now we want to remove the border from the third page. Go to the third page and we can see here the page border. Click the border, then press delete on our keyboard, then go to the another page and go back the third page and we can see here remove the border only third page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.